And sticking with retail, let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré with the latest market action following today's data. And I know you got your focus on the retail sector here, Ines.
Yeah, I do. And so I'm taking a look at the auto dealers chart on our Wi-Fi interactive board because, as you were just mentioning, car sales at auto dealers, those were up in August. So taking a look today, we're seeing a bit of a bump here for auto dealers. We saw Carvana earlier up more than 4%. We are seeing a little bit of a pullback. That's because the broader markets are also pulling back a bit. But CarMax also in the green as well. Another area that I wanted to point also in the retail space is the grocery stores, because grocery store spending was up. I'm going to pull up the retail chart today for some of the big box retailers, and you can see if I pull up a year-to-date chart, you can see the ones up at the top that are seeing gains. BJ, also Kroger, up more than 7% year-to-date. Dollar General. Look, these are stores that sell food. We know that at the dollar stores also they have been talking about people buying more perishable goods. So they are getting their goods from these lower priced stores. And then finally, just taking a look at apparel, because we had been mentioning also some of the apparel stores. Today's action, a little bit of mixed action here that we're seeing. And part of these have to do also with some headlines. You've got Children's Place that announced Kris Jenner and Khloe Kardashian deal. Also, you've got GPS, which is Gap. Yeah, that's right. After Kanye West.
Story there.
Yes, exactly. Pulled his deal there. So a little bit of movement here, but also clothing stores spending was up as well in August.
Yeah, kind of fitting with our last discussion there. Now, another data point catching my attention this morning, weekly jobless claims, they declined. And this is important because we talk about the Federal Reserve fighting interest rates that we haven't seen, or fighting CPI numbers and inflation numbers we haven't seen in decades. Well, the flip side is maximum employment is kind of here right now.
Yeah, that's right. So they declined for a fifth straight week in a row, also fell to a 3-month low to 213,000 claims. That's 5,000 less claims than the previous week, which was 218,000, which had been revised down. So basically what this is showing us is that you are seeing a resilient labor market, and perhaps employers are reluctant to let go of workers, even if the economy is slowing, because we know that it's been difficult for them to hire workers. So maybe they're putting a pause on that.
Yeah, and unfortunately, another trend there that we've been tracking is good news is a little bit of bad news sometimes. But thank you for that report, Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré.